Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video, as requested, is going to feature hairstyle ideas with bangs. So we recently did a community poll, and I asked you, what hair trend do you want to see this week? Many of you answered hairstyles with bangs. So without further ado, here are some very popular hairstyles that we are seeing with bangs. Here we have this gorgeous Pixie haircut, and then we have some curly bangs in the form of a tapered cut. Now if you do have curly hair, don't be afraid to mix in some bangs. Here we have more of a shaggy bob haircut, beautiful blonde hair coloring. I love when I see blonde rocked with the red lip. It just looks like a beautiful pairing. And the layers with the shag are just absolutely gorgeous. If you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, don't forget to give it a like and of course hit that subscribe button. So here we see these beautiful curtain style bangs. And then we see a gorgeous ginger. She is rocking blunt French style bangs in the front. And this season, we're going to be seeing a plethora of different bangs. The curtain bangs are huge right now, bottleneck style. Here we have this gorgeous Pixie haircut that features bangs in the front as well. And then we have this gorgeous layered haircut with some bottleneck style bangs. So if you are currently thinking of adding bangs to your hair, let me know in the comments below what would be a great way for you to style your hair. Are you leaning more towards the bottleneck, angled bangs like we see here, side swept? What kind of bang hairstyle do you think would look best for your face shape? So here we have the stylist adding in some more curtain style bangs to this particular lob haircut. And then we have another Pixie haircut complete with some baby bangs in the front. And when it comes to adding bangs to the Pixie haircuts, you can either go with baby bangs, you can go with side swept bangs, or you can do a combination of both, which is what this silver toned Pixie has. So if you want to see more inspiring hairstyles, check this video out.